Hey everybody, welcome back to Yellowstone Custom Leather on YouTube. If you have not yet checked us out on Facebook, we have a bag makers group called USA Leather Bag Makers Q&A where we help make bag making fun and easy. If you need help, there is always someone in that group to help your bag making wherever you need it. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double bubble color pop strap. I am just using 2 pieces of water buffalo, 1-inch strip, 32.5 inches long. I have 2 of the gray color and 2 of the blue color. And this will just be one more cool tip in your arsenal for bag making. So let's check it out. It's really simple. All you're going to need is a 7/16 inch hole punch and 4 1-inch strips of leather. You do not have to do contrasting colors. I just like it, so that's what we're doing. This one is the finished strap before it's sewn. And I'm going to give you the dimensions again. So it's a 1-inch strip across, 32.5 inches long. And on your top strap, for me that's my gray, my first hole make this so it's really easy for you to see. My first hole gets punched. The bottom of the hole punch is at 3 inches. Then I move up, and the second hole is the bottom of the hole is at 5.5 inches. I do that exact same thing for the other side of my strap. First hole, the bottom of the punch is at 3 inches. Second hole, the bottom of the punch is at 5.5 inches. And I do that for both of my top straps. Okay? Now my bottom strap, for me, is blue. And it's a little bit softer and stretchier of a leather, so it will stretch a little bit, and that's okay. My first hole is at 4.5 inches. My second hole is at 6.5 inches. I flip that around, and I do the other side exactly the same. My first hole, the bottom of the punch is at 4.5. My second hole, the bottom of my punch is at 6.5, and I will do that for my second strip also. Then, for me, to make my life easy, I'm going to stitch these 2 handles together. So I make myself a mark at 8 inches on both sides. That way my handle stays nice and symmetrical. So there is a sew line right here at 8 inches. And now all we're going to do is we're going to weave these 2 straps together. So you're going to start with your bottom strap, and you are going to run it under your top strap, and you are going to pull it all the way through until your bottom 2 pieces match. Okay? For me, I like to put a little clip right there. Now this allows me to have 2 inches sewn onto my bag, as I did here. Okay? And now we're just going to weave. So keep in mind, this is a little stretchier. You'll have to go back through and play with it a little bit. But my next hole is the one on top. So I'm going to take my top strap and run it through this hole. And that's all we're doing. We're just going to keep threading the holes as they come up. I'm just folding my leather in half so it's easier to push through this softer leather. And you'll have to fiddle with it just a little bit to get it to lay right. Okay? It doesn't take very long. but you do want to make sure that you're getting it nice and flat. Now my next hole is on top. I'm going to thread the blue. Okay, next hole on top. So we currently have a Legacy Bag Makers Challenge going on in our group. So if you are inspired by this video and would like to teach a handle that you love, come on over to USA Leather Bag Makers Q&A, post the handle picture that you would like to teach us into our albums, and then create a video for us. Okay, that is your finished side. We'll go ahead and even that out, make it look nice and easy. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the next side. And this is your finished strap. We've smoothed out the edges, made sure they're rolling the same way. Now we're going to go to our machine and start your stitch here. You're going to run all the way down, stitch across here, all the way back down, stitch across, back stitch, and you will have a pretty double bubble color pop strap. I hope this was fun for you. See you soon.